Turnt to 11. Clear eyes, full hearts, can't lose. No. It's too early. It's too early. I'm gonna turn this. We're in the newsroom. I'm gonna turn this shit to 11. My name is Adam Pally from the television show Mr. Throwback on Peacock. Is it a television show if it's not a television? Anyway, I'll be playing Say Action.
Adam will have 2 bowls to pull from. One bowl will have famous movie lines. The second will have a piece of direction that he has to follow.
The line, so tell just the direction.
Yeah, let's just do the direction.
The rules there's an insane amount of rules. Okay, hold on. So I was told to deliver this next line, throwing it away.
Okay.
My name is Inigo Montoya. To my father, huh? Prepare to die. Was that thrown away enough?
No, I think it was
okay,
great.
was that good?
Yeah.
I can't tell what's a win and what's a loss here. It feels all like a bit of a loss. Okay, the line is, maybe this is a better way to do it.
Okay.
The line is, pain heals, chicks dig scars, glory lasts forever. What's that from?
The Replacements.
The Replacements.
Thank you.
Oh, right, everyone
Everyone knows The Replacements.
everyone knows that movie. Anyway, I'll try to deliver this for my Oscar sizzle reel, and I won't do it to camera because that doesn't feel, so I'm just gonna do it right to you, okay? Pain. That's what heals. Line? Alright, let's move on to the next one.
I like that. I like that.
I have to deliver this next line like it's a pickup line. Are you a hero? Because heroes get remembered. But maybe you're a legend, because legends never die.
That really works.
That works as a pickup line?
Well, it's good craft. I think it was a good combination.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, I think we're both married people, but like that was a good.
You felt
delivery.
it. You
yeah,
felt it.
yeah.
Good. Okay, good. I'll take
I
it.
felt that, and I wasn't even in the
Alright, good. You'll take it. This is a celebrity impersonation for the line "Warriors come out and play." Is my impression of the way it is like Warriors come out and play?
I feel like it's any celebrity impression you want to do if they got to do that line.
Oh, I'll do one because my wife and I. It's an oldie but a goodie of mine. My wife and I have been watching Sex and the City, or my wife has, because that's what happens when she stresses out. So it would be. This is an impression of Steve from Sex and the City doing the famous line from the Warriors. Warriors, come out and play. Okay, this line I'm supposed to tell like a secret. Okay?
Mm-hmm. Should I get closer?
No, I'm doing it.
Oh.
See? I'm already doing it. I'm supposed to tell this like a secret, okay?
Okay.
If you build it, he will come.
I feel like you should be doing more drama. Like we're
Do enough drama. Enough drama in my life. Mary J. Blige, baby. I have to do this line with a laugh. I came here today to chew bubblegum and kick ass, and I am fresh out of bubblegum.
That was good. That was intimidating.
Really? You say you use a Chicago accent on this one, but it's like, I feel like it's the whole thing, you know what I mean? Like, when you do this, but it's pretty easy, because you would just go, the name's Band. James Band. A lot of my friends call me Jared. Like you're auditioning for Goodfellas. Okay. You wanna live? You wanna live? Come with me if you wanna live, huh?
See, you said you can't do impressions. That was a good De Niro.
Was it even De Niro? It's just like...
You had the expression, you had
There you go. All right.
You got the squint?
Yeah.
This next one's like I'm in slow motion. Perfect. Yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker. Cleared the ball.
Excellent.
yeah.
Well done. First one ever do that. Thank you.